Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegetable soup with Uziza leaf. First, gather your fresh ingredients, including Uziza leaves, other vegetables, and your choice of protein. Next, prepare everything by washing and chopping. If using tough meats, pre-cook them until tender. Finally, ensure all your spices, like crayfish and seasoning cubes, are measured and ready to go. Now, let's build the flavor base for our soup. Begin by sautéing your chopped onions and peppers in a pot with a few tablespoons of palm oil until they are soft and aromatic. Then, add your pre-cooked protein, along with ground crayfish and your preferred seasoning cubes. Stir everything together, adding a small amount of water or stock to form a rich, simmering base. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Quick recommendation: make your meal prep super easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for storing your delicious Uziza soup. You can find the link to these and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. For the final touches, start by adding your harder vegetables to the simmering base, letting them cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, incorporate any softer vegetables, allowing them to cook for just a couple of minutes more. Finally, stir in your fresh Uziza leaves. Cook for only 1 to 2 minutes to preserve their distinct aroma and vibrant green color. Do not overcook them.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.